I'll jump on the ship.
I don't know why it's stuck there.
They're waiting for us to aggro, so go ahead and hop right in. They're aggroed.
You're on the cannons or no?
Yeah, I'll be on the cannons. Oh, they're shooting too. That didn't go as planned. Alright, stay on them. A little bit to the right.
Oh no, we're getting there.
Half mast. Waves are a little tricky. Low shot. High shot. Move to the right. A lot of good low shots. Crews are having some interesting times trying to prepare. Not giving them time to... Alright, right. I'll get some cannons while we're doing this. They're turning left. You keep going where you're at. See if I can get a good shot with a blunt firebomb here. Come here, sweetheart.
Nice.
Okay. Damn, hitting low. Come here, you. Hitting high. Cluster bomb. We're about to get nasty with a cannon.
Ooh, there's some
First
shiny
ball.
shit in the water over there.
Yeah. Alright. Lower down the mast. Because this one's going down.
I got a sapphire where we're gonna go down.
Hey, you know, whatever works. And they are toasted. So go ahead and lift sail all the way.
Already did.
Okay. Now, who knows how far away this sucker's going to sink and come back. So we just got to keep our eyes open in the fog. Not bad at all.
Trying to find out where those other shiny went because, like, I don't know how I got that blue sapphire, but I did it.
Nice shot. Alright, there they are. So it should be right to the left there. Yep,
Where?
to the left. Right, straight with the island. Oh wait, they're right here. Start. That must be your shiny shit that you found.
Oh no, that's a little bit too much shiny. Oh, a storage crate, Dad.
Yes. We'll need to turn the boat to the left a bit.
Okay.
But your barrels and stuff are off to the right, but towards the island. Ooh. Hello, Ruby Gem. Ruby. Ashen Hate Skull. Where is the Captain Skull? There's the Captain Skull. Never fails. I either have the Ashen Key
Or the ashen chest.
and no chest, or the Ashen Chest.
Alright, can you give me? Alright.
Alright, the closest outpost should be just back where we went.
What happened to the barrels?
Let's see, golden, it's towards the island if you want to check them